Top 10 AI tools to quickly boost your traffic. Are you struggling to increase traffic to your funnel? Don't fret. This changes everything. In this video, we'll introduce you to 10 amazing AI tools that can quickly boost your traffic, transform your online presence, and elevate your business. So watch this video till the end, because I guarantee you never heard most of them. Let's dive in.
Welcome to Business Goodness, where entrepreneurs come to achieve greatness.
You know how most business owners are worried about business being unpredictable, losing cash, or sounding too pushy, too needy, too sleazy? Hi, I'm Zedd, digital marketing strategist at Business Goodness, where entrepreneurs come to achieve greatness. And what we do here is, we help business owners like them double their sales in 1 to 6 months, without losing money, wasting time, or losing sleep, so they can make more and give more to their family, their community, and their favorite charities. You into this kind of stuff? Be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified to get more videos like this.
Now let's get on with the program.
Tool number 1, content creation tools. AI-powered content creation tools like Jasper, Pictory, and Synthesia can generate high-quality content, including ads, articles, sales copy, video scripts, social media updates, and email newsletters. These tools can save tons of time and resources while ensuring consistent output. They can be used to generate traffic, improve conversion, generate leads, and nurture leads. Tool number 2, predictive analytics tools. AI-driven predictive analytics tools, such as IBM Watson Analytics and Salesforce Einstein, can forecast trends and patterns in user behavior. By understanding future traffic patterns, you can align your strategies accordingly so that you attract more targeted traffic and potentially boost conversion big time. Tool number 3, ad optimization tools. When using ad platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and TikTok Ads, you can use their AI and machine learning algorithms to optimize ad campaigns based on user behavior and conversion data. That is, if you know how. They can help you reach a more targeted audience, drive more traffic to your offer, and save your ad budget at the same time. Tool number 4, NLP tools, natural language processing, or NLP-based tools like sentiment analysis and text summarization algorithms can help you understand customer feedback, user reviews, and social media mentions on a deeper level. Some of the text summarization algorithm tools are TextRank, LexRank, and LUN. Some of the sentiment analysis tools are SentiSum, TalkWalker, and Reputation. The information from these tools can guide your content creation and customer engagement strategies. Tool number 5, SEO optimization tools. AI-based SEO optimization tools like SEMrush and Moz can help improve your website's search engine rankings. They analyze keywords, competition, and backlink profiles to suggest optimization strategies that can boost your organic traffic. Tool number 6, social media management tools. AI-powered social media management tools, such as Hootsuite or Sprout Social, can automate posting schedules, analyze audience engagement, and provide content recommendations. These tools help drive more traffic to your offer from social media platforms. Tool number 7, chatbots. AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat, ChatFuel, and Customers AI can engage with your website or funnel visitors, answer their queries, and guide them to relevant content. By providing instant assistance, chatbots enhance the user experience and encourage visitors to stay longer on your site. In other words, you keep those traffic longer on your site. That can have positive effects on your SEO and conversion. Tool number 8, personalization engines. AI-driven personalization engines like Insider, Braze, and Bloomreach analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver tailored content and recommendations. This helps increase engagement and encourages visitors to explore more of your website. Besides keeping traffic, they'll make your website or funnel more relevant to the visitors at scale, increasing your conversion rate at scale too. Tool number 9, image and video recognition tools. AI tools like Google Cloud Vision and Amazon Rekognition can analyze and categorize images and videos on your website. This enables better organization, SEO, and enhanced accessibility for visually impaired users. Last but not least, tool number 10, analytics tools. Although not solely AI tools, analytics tools like Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics can provide valuable insights into your website's traffic sources, user behavior, and engagement. By understanding these metrics, you can optimize your content, marketing, and traffic strategies. So there you have it. 10 amazing AI tools that can quickly boost your website's traffic. Leverage these cutting-edge technologies, and you can get more traffic, optimize your content, improve your SEO, and engage your audience like never before. So, what are you waiting for? Start using these AI tools today and watch your traffic skyrocket. Anyway, do you know any other cool AI tools that can boost our traffic? Or is there anything else you like to know about getting traffic, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, or money in general? Let us know in the comment, and we'll get back to you. Peace be upon you. See you next time.